Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to get off this stuff. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. My name is Katie and today I am doing an Amazon wardrobe, Prime wardrobe haul. I've never ordered clothes off of Amazon before, but I thought I'd give it a shot. There's a girl I follow on Instagram. Her name is Laura Beverlin, the best home decor account. And she's always like showing dupes of things that are higher end. She's like, oh, I got this off Amazon. I got this from Target or Loft. And she really hypes up the stuff she finds on Amazon. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, Prime wardrobe. So with Prime wardrobe, you try before you buy. This is not sponsored or anything. Paid for all this myself. And it says how it works. Try everything on. You have 7 days to decide what you love. Complete your purchase or returns at Amazon.com. Your orders. Return your items. It comes with your return shipping slip inside. So basically what you do, you go on Amazon, pick out the things that you like. I think you can pick up to 8 items. They ship it to you. You have 7 days from when you receive it to try it on, figure out what you like, figure out what you don't like, package it up, put the label on, and drop it off at UPS. You do not have to do anything other than that. If you like everything, then do nothing, and after the 7 days is up, they'll just charge you for everything that you ordered. So, let's go through this. The first thing I have is this dusky pink long sleeve shirt. I got this in an extra large. It looks like it's gonna be super cozy and like really stretchy, which is something I love. I want just like cozy clothes all the time. But I got this because it is winter time in Hawaii. Even though it's not snowing or anything, it's still winter time, and we do tend to wear more long sleeve items. I don't know if this dusky pink is my color. I don't own a lot of things that are dusky pink. I think the only thing I own that's dusky pink is pajamas, so I've never really given it too much thought on whether or not I can pull it off. I like the actual style of the shirt. I like the length of it. Something I saw on Twitter the other day, someone was like, the bottom 2 inches of all of my tops have mysteriously gone missing. Because for some reason crop tops are in, and stylists and stores and companies believe that means everything should be cropped. So this has a really good length. This would look really cute with some black Lululemon leggings, and I'm excited to give it a go. Then I purchased a collection of these Amazon Basics tank tops. I like to wear them under my shirts, just like tucked into my pants. I'm actually wearing a white one today, and it just helps with like any shirts that are see-through. This one is like crazy see-through. And it comes with a white one, it comes in black, and then it comes with 2 of these like beige ones. And so I think it comes with 2 of the beige ones because the beige would work under something like this, but the white or the black would stick out. So I have to say, because I'm already wearing one, these are actually really good quality and they're pretty cheap for how many you get, so I highly recommend those. That actually, I did get that from Laura Beverlin. She was like, get these. I got 2 pairs of pants. This is Signature Levi Strauss Simply Stretch Mid-Rise. I love a high rise, but if I have to, if they don't have something in a high rise, then I will go for a mid-rise, but I just feel like high rise is really where it's at. These are just some simple like dark blue skinny jeans, and they are, I can feel how stretchy they are, especially going side to side. Love it. These are gonna be so comfortable. Also, I don't know if you guys know this, but sometimes when you buy jeans, they smell really bad, especially if you buy them from like Walmart or even sometimes Target. There's just a bad smell when you buy jeans online for some reason, and these do not have it. Then I got a pair of, I think these are jeggings. So this is by Democracy Absolution Curve Equality, engineered to lift, expand, and enhance because all shapes are not created equal. Oh, I like that. Oh, it says it on the other side. I'm such an idiot. Anyways, so these ones are like another pair of skinny jeans. I love skinny jeans. I feel like because I'm so short, I can't wear like, I could probably get away with boot cut, but I definitely can't wear anything flared because it just makes me look even shorter. And so yeah, I'm really liking these. It's got a little bit of distressing going on here, and these are, let's see, super stretchy. I like it. You know what, even the waist is really stretchy. And I think these are supposed to be jeggings, aren't they? I feel like I saw that written somewhere. Probably not, I could be making that up. Boost, mold and hold, featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. I love it. I did get an Adidas shirt just because I was feeling it. I got this in an extra large, I got this in a large, but I'm glad I did a large and didn't think to do anything smaller because it is running a bit small-ish. But I did think it was cute, and I like that they didn't overdo the sleeves. Sometimes when shirts are designed to be a little bit big and baggy, especially for women, they really overdo the sleeve. I have a Good American oversized shirt and the sleeves go down to like right here on me, and I'm like, okay, it didn't need to be that dramatic. Like, the shirt is half sleeves. So at least with this, it's like more in balance of what it's supposed to be. And then last but not least, I got a long maxi dress. I didn't do a tank one just because I feel like for myself, like for my body type, it's better to have some sort of shoulder sleeves. But this is what it looks like. It's just a simple black, really stretchy maxi dress. These always work really well here in Hawaii. They look good whether you're wearing sandals, you can wear it with heels, you can even wear it with like some Converse. And that's probably how I'll wear it, is with some Converse. I did get it in a large because maxi dresses do run big. So I bought it in a large just so it's not too like I'm swimming in it or anything. I'm slightly concerned about the length. I, again, am only 5'2", so I may need to take some length off of it to make it doable for me. But I don't mind doing that. I have a sewing machine. I have to do it a lot with a lot of things that I wear, so that's okay. But that is my Prime wardrobe haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried Prime wardrobe, and also let me know what are some of your favorite Amazon clothing items, because if you follow Laura Beverlyn on Instagram, I'll link her account down below. She literally like has a dupe for everything, and her stuff is so cute. So definitely give her a follow. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.